Hi everyone. What I'll be making for you today is Mussels Fra Diavolo. It's a very simple dish. It takes 5 minutes and you can eat it by itself with crusty bread, or you can make some pasta linguine and use it with the sauce, however you like it. In the meantime, this is something that I've been soaking overnight. It reminds me of my grandfather, Vito Tocco. He used to put peaches in wine, and that's what I have done. They've been soaking for like 24 hours. They're delicious. Look at this. Great. So now I'm going to heat up what I have in here. There's parsley, garlic, olive oil, and red pepper flakes, about a teaspoon. So I'm going to heat this up, and when it's ready to go, I'm going to add some tomato sauce and the mussels. Like I said, I'm going to have it for dinner tonight. And I don't think I'm going to have it with pasta. What I think I'm going to do is have it with some crusty Italian bread and my wine here, my peaches and wine. It's a great dish and a great dinner, and very simple and very affordable. I bought these organic mussels that they are from New Zealand. You could get them in your frozen food department where the seafood is, and they're delicious. You don't have to worry about washing them, cleaning them, taking the beards out. It's all done for you. This is the era of cooking easily. So I have 2 boxes. They're a pound each, 1 pound. And like I said, I'm just gonna have those. And here we go. We're going to heat this up. And I'm going to have a sip as it's heating up. Delicious. There's nothing like the smell of garlic and parsley sauteing, or garlic and basil sauteing. I don't know which one is better, but I love them both. And here we go, it's starting to sizzle. And I just want to tell you that my family, my mother's family anyway, was from a very fish family. How can I say? They were fish and seafood lovers. That's because my grandfather came from Palermo and he was a fisherman. He came over here, as I mentioned, at the turn of the century, at the turn of the 19th century, when he was like 16 or 17 years old. I don't know how he met my grandmother, but he was from Sicily, she was from Naples, and she came over here with her mother, who was Rose Massa. That was my grandmother. My grandmother was Anna Massa. I don't know how they met, but must have been in East Harlem. East Harlem was, I can't begin to tell you what wonderful memories I have about East Harlem. It was, I can't tell you. Everybody lived within like a 3 or 4 block radius, and I loved it. I think it was the best upbringing. I wish my grandchildren, actually I wish my children had those memories. Anyway, these are the mussels. I'm gonna put them in the sauteing garlic and parsley. Oh my God. Here we go. Wow. There we go. What I'm going to do is add some salt. That's enough. And some tomato sauce. This is Calavita's crushed tomatoes when you don't need a big can. This is what? How many ounces? 13.7 ounces. And it's absolutely great. I love it. Just a little bit of water. My mother taught me never to waste any, so we'll get the rest of it out of there. Here you go. Oh my God. I'll be back when they're opened up and looking absolutely gorgeous. As I said, this is my dinner tonight. I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so the mussels are done. They are looking so delicious. As I said, if you wanted to, you could boil a pound of pasta, spaghetti or linguine, and throw this on top of the pasta. But I'm just having the mussels tonight with some bread. Oh my God. Look at that. Is that delicious or what? I'm going to be enjoying my dinner with my peaches soaked in wine. And I'm happy. So, until next time, bon appetit.